भाजपा सरकारान गोयच्या बहुजनांचो विश्वासघात केला. कुळ मुणकार कायद्यान दुरुस्ती हाडून कुळांक कसपाक लायल्यात. तशेंच उदरगत गुंतवणूक बोर्डाच्या नांवान गोयच्यो जमनी हडप करपाचें कारस्थान रचलां अशी टिका आदले केंद्रीय मंत्री रमाकांत खलप हांणी केल्या. डेस्क खाती पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Which these party BJP inflicted upon the masses of Goans, the Bahujan Samaj of Goa, was to totally destroy the very concept of land to the tiller, and they pushed the tenants to the civil courts for getting the reliefs. Tenant cases which have been transferred to the civil courts are being dismissed. Litigation is costly, time consuming, and that is giving an impetus to the harassed tenants to just give up their rights to the agricultural properties and allow sale of such lands in connivance with the landlords. As a result, large tracts of agricultural lands are being indiscriminately sold by Goan tenants to the money bags from Mumbai, Delhi, and wherever. You name the place and they come from those areas. All this is being so well managed by BJP through what is called the Investment Promotion Board. Almost every industry or so-called investment which has been disclosed by the IPB so far relates to five-star hotels, relates to housing societies, relates to resorts,